All right, so now we're taking a picture of what these floors look like. Oh wow, we've got about one more week to go. Look at this. It's beautiful. It's so exciting, it looks so great. The elevator will fit in the middle. We gotta change the bullnose notch outs. Can't wait to see this. The floor is just gorgeous. It runs from north to south, and we're keeping it a very natural color. This is ripped in Quarter Sawn white oak. And we have our different samples over here. The right side is the Nordic one coat, which is the color that lightens it. It really preserves the color of the wood natural, and I think having the natural and not ambering to be darker with a Bona intense seal will help us preserve that color. And then we put three final coats of the satin commercial traffic, so this floor will be pretty stunning. And our stairs are finally starting to look like stairs. Just absolutely crazy. Love, love, love.